Okay, there's one more item that it's expected of you. You should review, we refer to it as the CCA, or the Candidate Certificate Agreement. This is available via the EC Council website in the URL listed here. In it, they go through and list the purpose of the certification, the definition, the certification itself, if you can transfer the certification, like if you leave a company. The answer is no, you can't. Certification stays with the person. Your obligations, they actually have a link there to the certification exam as well as the exam retake, but we'll cover some of this in a later module. And terms and termination, as well as if you break, for example, the code of ethics, somebody can report you, or you can report someone else if you need to. So make sure you review that as well. So in this module, we went through and took a look at what certification brings to you. It brings, again, a global recognized certification. In fact, I was just reading an article the other day about how the FBI is looking for ethical hackers. We also spoke to how to maintain your certification. Remember, it's all about the points. Again, you're going to want to make sure that any changes, EC Council is pretty good about notifying members if they make any types of changes. If you have a question about if something or some activity could be considered for points or ECE points, you need to contact them and just ask them outright. Then we also talked about what was expected of you. There's a lot expected of you. Again, go back to my favorite quote from Uncle Ben, Spider-Man. What did he say before he died? With great power comes great responsibility. Don't take this lightly, folks. This is the materials that you're going to learn about can be and are dangerous in the wrong hands. And that's not the purpose of us teaching these concepts, is to put them in the wrong hands. Okay, before we dive in further, we're going to go through in the next module and show you how to build up a lab that you get to hack. It's way cool, guys.